Hello everyone. So today we'll look at this board with a bunch of holes. So this is called a breadboard. A breadboard is what we use to create prototypes and build circuits that don't even require soldering. So to get into it, get started, it has, you can see, plus and minus. Basically you can use however you want. Some boards don't even have that, and then you have holes. And then the thing is, these rails on the left, two rails on the left and two on the right, they are connected vertically. And these ones, you can see A, B, C, D, E, and these ones on the left and right, these are connected horizontally, like that. For example, if you plug something into this and something into that, so because these wires are connected, so these now are connected vertically, horizontally, because as I said, this underneath, this is connected like that, and these are connected like that. To show you how these are connected horizontally, I connect this and I connected this, and I have a voltmeter with me. And so to show that these are actually connected, these two wires, it should beep. I should hear a beep. You see? So that's how we know this is connected vertically, or like horizontally. Sorry, I mess it up all the time. Okay, now to show this and this, these all are connected. So for example, you have something here, and then you have your supply in here, and you want your circuit to give supply to it like that, and you connect something else, for example a resistor. So this is all connected to each other because these are connected and this is connected to this. I'll show you. You see? So there's a connection between this till there and the negative rail till there. Okay, to explain it better, I'll use this power supply that I built in school. And so these are connected, the negative is connected, and these ones are connected like that. Okay, and another thing, you might be wondering why we have this gap in the center. This is for us to connect these ICs. So what you can do is you can easily just put these in like that, and this is connected because these ones on here are not connected to these ones on here. So that is why it is easy to use this. So for example, this is negative, you connect it to the negative rail. So I connected this negative to the negative rail, and then this positive to the positive rail, and you can see, I can switch it to 20 volts. So this is 5 volts, about 5 volts. So you can see 4.95. So I'm providing 4 or 5 volts to the board. So across the board, across all the pins here should have positive 5 volts. So if I connect it to, I'll leave this here, connect it to the ground, and if I see 5 volts. Let me use this. You can see 5 volts. And this is negative, so this will not have anything. And because I have used these 2 wires, so this positive is connected to that. So you can see, you must be wondering, I'm connecting here 5 volts. Why this has 5 volts? Because I'm connecting this to the positive rail, and then this is also connected to the positive rail on the other end. So that is why I am having 5 volts on this rail as well. And because this lead is connecting, taking 5 volts from there to this, so this number 40 here, number 40 is having 5 volts as well. So if I connect anything in this pin or in that, all will have 5 volts. You can see 5 volts. So that is how this breadboard works. And you can, for example, you want to make connections to this motor, and you can just connect this is a DC motor. You can connect it however you want. Negative and then a positive. So anyone you can connect here. That'll still work fine. Yep. So this is powered with 5 volts.